The importance of iron-rich foods in treating anemia, a nutrition education video. To start with, let's see what is anemia. Anemia is a condition in which the number of red blood cells or the hemoglobin concentration within them is lower than normal. There are various factors that cause anemia. The most common causes of anemia include nutritional deficiencies, particularly iron deficiency. A diet consistently low in iron, vitamin B12, folate, and copper increases your risk of anemia. Other factors that contribute to anemia are pregnancy related complications, heavy menstruation, gastrointestinal problems, infectious diseases such as malaria, tuberculosis, HIV, and parasitic infections, and inadequate absorption of iron due to diarrhea. The strategies to prevent anemia. The first point is consuming iron rich foods. Next point is drinking tea and coffee separately from meals that contain iron rich foods. Tea and coffee can decrease the amount of iron that your body absorbs from iron rich foods. Having foods and liquids high in calcium separately from iron rich foods. Calcium prevents iron from being absorbed. Eating vitamin C rich foods with iron rich food. This helps the body to absorb more iron. Following good hygienic practices. Before seeing the Indian foods that are rich in iron, we'll see the role of iron rich foods in preventing anemia to understand the importance of consuming iron rich foods. Role of iron rich foods in preventing anemia. Humans cannot live without iron, a mineral crucial to their health. The most abundant source of iron in human tissue is the red blood cell. In addition to reducing the symptoms of anemia, managing iron levels is important to prevent anemia. Several other functions of iron include hemoglobin formation, aids in brain function, treats anemia, helps in the synthesis of neurotransmitters, prevents insomnia, treatment of fatigue, boosts immunity, regulation of body temperature, and muscle function. An iron rich diet includes foods that are good sources of iron. Women need extra iron during childhood, adolescence, that is teenage years, and pregnancy. Iron is a mineral that the body needs to make hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is a part of your blood and helps carry oxygen from your lungs to the rest of your body. Iron deficiency anemia is the leading cause of disease and death among women and can lead to other health problems in women. Iron deficiency is a health problem which is preventable. Eating iron rich foods along with vitamin C rich foods every day can help to prevent iron deficiency anemia. Now we'll see the Indian foods that are rich in iron, the amount of iron in it per 100 gram, and quantity to be consumed per day. First is Sundakai dry. The amount of iron present is 22.2 mg and the quantity to be consumed per day is 20 gram. Next is Manatakali leaves. The amount of iron is 21 mg per 100 gram and the quantity to be consumed per day is 100 gram. Next is rice flakes. The amount of iron is 20 mg and the quantity to be consumed is 100 gram per day. Likewise, you can see the iron content of the most commonly consumed foods and the quantity to be consumed per day in the tabulation. This tabulation is the continuation of foods, its iron content and quantity to be consumed per day. As you can see, gingerly seeds, the amount of iron is 9.5 mg per 100 gram and the quantity to be consumed is 10 gram. And ragi, the amount of iron is 3.9 mg per 100 gram and the quantity to be consumed is 100 gram. Likewise, for egg yolk, the amount of iron is 3 mg per 100 gram and the quantity to be consumed per day is 2 egg yolks. Do refer the table for the iron content of the other foods and the quantity to be consumed per day. Before moving on to the next topic, let me ask you a question. Do you think there is a relationship between vitamin C rich foods and iron to prevent anemia? The answer is yes. There is indeed a relationship between vitamin C rich foods and iron to prevent anemia. Importance of vitamin C rich foods along with iron to prevent anemia. Vitamin C helps in the absorption of iron optimally in your body. This is the most crucial benefits of this vitamin. Therefore, if you are eating iron-rich foods, following up with vitamin C can give you maximum absorption of iron. Now we'll see the list of vitamin C rich foods and the amount of vitamin C present in them per 100 gram. First is agati kire. The amount of vitamin C present in them is 169 mg per 100 gram. Next is drumstick leaves. The amount of vitamin C present is 220 mg per 100 gram. Likewise, the tabulation shows the amount of vitamin C per 100 gram of the other vitamin C rich foods. So the next time you consume an iron-rich food, make sure that you combine it with a vitamin C-rich food to ensure proper absorption of iron in your body. Concluding points. It is therefore important to consume iron-rich foods along with vitamin C-rich foods to prevent iron deficiency anemia among women, which is a major concern in today's world. I conclude this video by sharing this quote. When women take care of their health, they become their own best friend. Thank you.